Yeah, Lori and Jerry, Attorney General Dave Sunday says he's suing TikTok on the grounds of violating the state's consumer protection law. He argues in this lawsuit that the social media giant is not doing enough in terms of protections for teens and kids using the app when it comes not only to the content that they can see, but also how much they use it.
Having an age 13 plus rating is very important for their bottom line.
Attorney General Dave Sunday says TikTok has been misrepresenting its age appropriateness on app stores because content involving alcohol, drugs, and other adult or sexual material is more than just infrequently available to teenagers.
The age restrictions that TikTok purports to maintain are essentially worthless.
I asked Sunday whether parents should have a larger role in preventing kids from accessing that kind of content.
A parent can't do their job if they don't know what the ratings are. They have to know what the ratings are. And if they're provided with false information, then how can they do their job? And as a parent, I can tell you that's something that infuriates me.
Sunday argues teenagers in particular are at risk for things like social media addiction because the very nature of the app is to try to get users to keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling because there is a lot of advertising revenue at stake.
They're little gambling units that you have in your hand or slot machines, right? Get a hit of dopamine every time you swipe.
Social media and emerging technologies expert Charles Palmer with Harrisburg University says he's not surprised the lawsuit also challenges whether enough protections are in place for teenagers and kids.
And to sit back and wait and see where the law or where the lawsuit actually goes. But there's enough conversation. People should be bringing this back to the kitchen table to have a discussion with their child or someone who's using the platform.
I reached out to TikTok through their media contact form earlier today. I haven't heard anything back. Separately, I also just reached out to ByteDance, which is connected to TikTok, obviously, and has a spot on this lawsuit as a defendant for comment as well. We will let you know what they have to say when they respond. But for now, here at the state capitol in Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.